Normal English versus Advanced English. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I am very hungry. I am starving. I am very happy. I am over the moon. I am very busy. I am smoked. I am very tired. I am exhausted. Sorry, I fall asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Good luck, bro. Break a leg, bro. Stop wasting time. Stop puffing around. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. Keep it a secret. Keep it underwarm. Leave me alone. Give me a break. How are you? How is it going? It is not so difficult. It is not rocket science. I am very tired. I am worn out. I am fit and healthy. I am fit as a fiddle. I am a bit busy. I am a bit tied up. Text me when you get free. Hit me up when you get free. You are so beautiful. You are drop dead gorgeous. I am eating food. I am having a meal. He is so fat. He is big boned. I am scared to do this. I have corned feet. You are very kind. You have a heart of gold. I want to ask you a question. I want to pick your brain. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. Go to the library. Hit the library. You have to decide. Make up your mind. I am going to gym. I am heading to the gym. I am going to sleep. I am going to hit the sack. I don't understand it. I don't get it. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I am listening to you. I am all ears. I will be there instantly. I will be there in a heartbeat. I want to buy this. I want to get this. Hurry up. Shake a leg. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? I am so sad. I feel blue. Why are you so angry? Why are you so pissed off? Don't be stupid. Don't be a jerk. I don't know. Beats me. He is a very talented. He is a gifted. Hold on. Hang on. He is arrogant. He is haughty. I am very shy. I am timid. Help me. Lend me a hand. He is very lazy. He is couch potato. Keep quiet. Zip your lips. That is very good. That is outstanding. I am sorry. I apologize. That is a great deal. That's a lot. I don't know. I'm not certain. I am full. I am stuffed. I am sleepy. I am drowsy. Tell me. Inform me. Check it. Verify it. Give me. Provide me. Bad. Substandard. Good. Satisfactory. I don't like it. It is not my cup of tea. I will think about it. I will sleep on it. I am angry with you. You are in my bad books. Leave me alone. Get lost. Calm down. Pull yourself together. I am going to park. I am off to park. If you like my videos, it's requested you to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.